In front of me is CUBOT NOTE 7, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select display, and click on wallpaper. Now just choose the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be one from your live wallpapers, your own photos, or some picture from a wallpapers album. I will choose this one. And here you've got the possible options. Here they are. And let me choose for example this one. Then click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both home and lock screens. So let me choose it. And that's it. From now on, as you can see, your display is covered with this picture, and also the change has been applied to your lock screen. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.